It was decided to have a nice Pantnagar girls' meet in Shogi and Shimla, and Sukhwant and her husband Surinder, who stay in Shogi, took the initiative to take all the efforts to have us together. The girls from 77 batch from Pantnagar came from all over the country, from Lucknow, from Jaipur, from Haldwani, from Kashipur, from Bilaspur. The plan was to stay at Shogi and then go to Shimla. So we all stayed in Stone Age Hotel. Because I and my husband had come a little early, so we got the privilege to go to Sukhwan's house and have a cup of tea. Loved every detail of her house amidst the hills. Soon it was time to go to Stone Age Hotel and check in. Stone Age Hotel had its own ambience and a lovely view from all sides. Soon girls had started coming from all directions, and myself and Sukhwant played the role of hostess, welcoming them, yelling and shouting and embracing each other. The rooms were very, very comfortable and very nice. Sukhwant played a beautiful role of being a nice hostess, and she had got such lovely gifts for all of us. And we all loved the gesture. Soon it was time to sit and chit chat and love each other's company, and the warmth of the sun was really such a blessing for all of us in a cold weather. Soon it was time to take lunch, and then the only activity that we had planned for the evening was to go to Tara Devi temple, which is situated at the top hill at Shogi. Of course, another agenda was clicking photographs. When it comes to go around any place along with your friends, the fun becomes double. Friends with whom you have stayed in a hostel for around 4.5 years. There is so much to share, there is so much to talk, there is so much to laugh about. So this visit to Shogi and Shimla was lot of fun filled visit. Our base camp was Shogi, and so we visited this wonderful Tara Devi temple. Unique architecture and of course very beautiful ambience. Amidst the clouds, amidst the greenery and the wind blowing, even climbing the stairs did not seem a burden because the friends were on the side and the friends were helping each other in climbing the stairs and moving up. The most beautiful thing about the temple was it was all made up of wood and, of course, stone also. It was quite high, and of course, the sunset which we viewed was just so beautiful. And then clicking each other's pictures and laughing away and posing was the fun of the day.
साथ रहना नहीं है तो जो मैंने बोल दिया वो
वेरी गुड
की रबाई या है तबाही गर्दन सुराही बोली इलाही अफगान जलेबी माशूक फरेबी अफगान जलेबी माशूक फरेबी घायल है
अशरफी।
तेरा दीवाना भाई वाह
भाई
भाई
वाह,
वाह
भाई वाह,
बंदूक
भाई
दिखा
वाह।
के क्या प्यार करेगी
वाह।
कहना भी कभी दिखाना भाई वाह
वाह, वाह,
भाई
वाह,
वाह अफगान जलेबी माशूक
बहुत मुश्किल है साहब नहीं मगर
हंसी जब से
देखा मैंने तुझको
और कैसा?
मुझको शायरी आ गई
बहुत बढ़िया।
बहुत ही सॉफ्ट है बात।
मैं
हाँ, बहुत
आशिक
soft है।
तो नहीं
मिजाज है हम भी कुछ तो नाजुक मिजाज है।
अब ये हो गया।
Soon we all retired for the night, and the next day came with new freshness. This was day 2, and all the friends dressed up in their best attires and came out into the lawn, and of course, the photographs had to be clicked. Today it was decided that we would go to Shimla, and on the way to Shimla, just before we entered Shimla, we all stopped at Viceroy Lodge. Beautiful architecture, lovely morning, sunny everywhere, huge campus with awesome greenery all around. We spent almost 2 hours over here, going back to the British period, enjoying the lovely sun and the lovely flowers and trees all around. And of course, chit-chatting with the friends. It's really a beautiful and awesome feeling to be in the company of your loved ones. After entering Shimla, we decided to go for Jaku temple. Third day, we were again prepared for the next activity, and this activity was picnic. Beautiful arrangement had been done by Sukhwant and Surinder ji. A lovely place just next to the valley had been chosen, and the seating arrangement was done both in the shaded area as well as under the sun. And we all played the guessing game organized by Sukhwant. Not to miss the prize distribution. Soon it was time for lunch. And what lunch? It was all snacks. Pizza, pasta, cake. We returned back only to get ready for the beautiful gala musical night organized on the theme of Zinat Aman, followed by prize giving ceremony.
बढ़िया से
This was the last night of our stay together at Shogi Stone Age Hotel. Day 4 was our checking out date, and so we were all not very happy to leave each other's company. But yes, we made the most of it. It was time to make my farewell speech with a poem.
8 से 12 कब हो जाया करते थे पता ही नहीं चलता था। रह जाते थे तो बस वो ठहाके जिनकी गूंज आज भी कानों को गुदगुदाया करती है, और हम एक पल के लिए मानो उसी पल में खोने लग जाते हैं। कहाँ गए वो लोग जिनके घर जाने से पैर रुकते नहीं थे, कहीं ठिठकते नहीं थे। मजे की बात तो यह थी कि अंदर से फिर खाना खाकर ही बाहर आते थे। कहाँ गए वो लोग जिनकी ईद और दिवाली साथ हुआ करती थी। वो सेवई और लाजवाब खुशबू और गुजिया की मिठास आज भी मानो रिझाती और बुलाती है। कहाँ गए वो लोग जिन्होंने अपने परायों में न भेद किया, बस किया तो प्यार प्यार और बस प्यार देने के नाम पर तत्पर हरदम। फिर सोचती हूँ कहीं नहीं गए वो लोग, हम ही तो हैं वो, हम ही से तो बने हैं, हम ही तो बने हैं उनसे, वो है हम में। हम क्यों नहीं हो पाते उन जैसे निर्मल और सिंपल। फिर देखो ये निर्मम से दिखने वाले लोग भी बदल लेंगे अपने आप को और झुक जाएंगे हमारी अच्छाई के तल। चलो निकालते हैं वो फुर्सत के पल, वो बिन बात बिन मतलब मिलने के बहाने, बिन मकसद बस देने के तरीके, वो सब कुछ जो पाना चाहते हैं हम औरों से अपेक्षाओं के रूप में, आओ देते हैं हम दूसरों को ऐसे ही ऐवे ही, बिन मतलब और बिन मकसद, और फिर कह सके हम सीना तान, हम ही तो है वो।
Yes, it was Thanksgiving time to Sukhwant and her husband Surenderji, who really worked hard for our comfortable and enjoyable stay in Shogi. Though we were all filled with the feeling of nostalgia, but then still we wanted to make the most of our company, and we did our again clicking of photographs, making poses. Somebody suggested let's all jump together and let's all put our hands up, and so we tried our best.